Okay, now we are going to solve y dash y plus x equals 0. So we are going to solve means we have to find the y function y. So how to find y, or how to find the solution for the given differential equation. So let us start. So what is the given differential equation? Y dash into y plus x equals 0. So this is the given differential equation. Now here we can observe that we have two variables x and y. Now in this differential equation we can separate the variables x and y. So now separate x and y. So we are separating the variables x and y. So that means we are applying the method of variable separable method. Variable separable method. So y dash into y equals, bring x to another side, that is minus x, that equals y dash can be written as dy by dx into y equals minus x. So we are separating x and y. So bring dx to another side, that is dy y into dy dx, that is minus x into dx. So we have separated the variables x and y. So in first step we have separated the variables x and y from the given differential equation. After separating the variables we have gotten the equation like this: y dy equals minus x dx. Okay, now integrate on both sides. Integrate on both sides, that becomes integral of y dy equals integral of minus x dx. Now how to integrate this equation? So any standard formula is there? Yeah, there is standard formula: integral of x power n dx equals x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So this is the standard formula, can be applied here. So by applying standard formula, integral of y dy, so integral of y dy becomes, here n is what? Y power 1. So n is what? N equals to 1. So that is what? X power n plus 1. So here y power n, what is n? 1 plus 1 by n plus 1, 1 plus 1 equals integral of minus x dx, that is minus x power, here also the power is 1. So here also n is 1. So x power n plus 1. So n is 1 plus 1, 1 by 1 plus 1 plus c. Now y power n plus 1, that is what? Y square by 2 equals x square by 2 plus c. So for the given differential equation, y dash y plus x equals to 0, the solution is y square by 2 equals x square by 2 plus c. So here how many steps are involved? Only 2 steps. In first step, this is step 1. In first step, we have separated the variables x and y. In step 2, after separating the variables x and y, we have applied integrate on both sides. So this is a step 2. Then by using the standard formula, we have found the solution. So this is the method to find the general solution of the given differential equation. Thank you.